Well done so far. Just a few more steps and your Flocca is ready to go. Open the front door to the Flocca unit with the black plastic key provided. This should be in the box. If not, you can simply open the door with some pliers. Turn the unit on with the switch on the panel and wait a few seconds for the screen to load. The Flocca unit will now show the main screen. Here you will find some statistics indicating recent rainfall and dosing volumes. Down the bottom of the touchscreen, go to settings. You will be asked for a password which is 123321. The unit is a touchscreen, so just touch the box and type in the digits. It is important to check the time and date has been set correctly. Go to Setting, Date Time. If the current date and time is not correct, reset the data by touching the fields and entering the numbers. Then press Set. Note that failure to do this will prevent incorrect logging of the data, so please make sure to do this step first. When finished, press Save and save to Flash. Press Home to go back to the main screen. System info is just that. It indicates the unit has power and is charging. Let's move on to some settings, where we will enter site-specific parameters. In the settings screen, select Tipping Bucket up from the top drop-down. The dosing rate is available for jar testing performed on site. The factory value is 10 ppm. Note the decimal point. Usually this value will be somewhere between 70 and 120 if using ACH. If you don't know it, set it at 100 ppm. You don't need to change the activation time, the minimum dose time, and the minimum dose value. In the tipping bucket settings, enter the catchment area in hectares, the initial loss in millimeters, and the ongoing loss in millimeters. If you don't know the loss values and these are not being specified on your engineering plans, leave the initial loss at 2.5 mil. Change the ongoing loss to 0. This means that the system will start dosing chemical after 2.5 millimeters of rain has fallen on the site, which is usually the minimum requirement to get some runoff into the basin. Press Load Save. Press Save under Flash to save the settings to the flash card included in this device. Next, we will ensure to check the maximum rain event warning is set properly at 200 millimeters. Go to Settings, Miscellaneous. Confirm that the rainfall limit, millimeters per 24 hours, is set at 200. The value must not be 0. That's it. Your system is now ready to go. If you would like to perform a quick test run to make sure that everything is working and plugged in properly, please watch the next video for instructions.